वेद संस्कृतम् अस्ति अन्यः प्राचार्य गौरव संस्कृतम् अस्ति अन्यः साधारण रीत्या संभाषण संस्कृतम् अस्ति तत् संस्कृतं सर्वे जनाः पठन्तु अस्माकं कुटुम्बमध्ये वा अस्माकं बान्धवाः मध्ये वा प्रातःकाले वा माध्याह्निके वा सायङ्काले वा किञ्चित् संस्कृतं वदतु संस्कृतमिति अस्माकं तमिळ् भाषायाम् अपि 15 पदं प्रतिशतं 50% प्रतिशतम् अस्माकं तमिळ् भाषायां संस्कृतपदमेव चिन्तयतु काले माले सायंकालं नमस्कारम् आशीर्वादं भोजनम् आहारं सर्वमपि संस्कृतपदमेव वल्लुवर् अपि लिखितवान् अगर मुदल एळुत्तेल्लाम आदि भगवान् संस्कृतमेव कारणं संस्कृत भाषा पठनं चेत् अस्माक कुटुंब गौरवं लक्ष्मी कटाक्षं सर्वमपि आर्टिफिशियल् इंटेलिजेंस इति वदति भाषायाः डीविएशन विकारः शून्यः एव आंग्ल भाषायाम् अतीव विकारमस्ति अतीव डीविएशन अस्ति अतः संस्कृत भाषा एव उचित भाषा संगणक यंत्रे अंतर्जाले इंटरनेट अंतर्जाले मध्ये संगणक यंत्रं कंप्यूटर विज्ञानं शास्त्रं संस्कृत भाषा एव उचित भाषा सर्वेभ्यः कृपया संस्कृतं पठतु अतः मम अभिप्रायं किम् इति चेत् अग्रिम 10 वर्षे संस्कृत भाषा एव उपयोगं करणीया उपयोगं कर्तव्यम् उपयोगं कुर्वन्ति विज्ञानिनः संगणक यंत्रं वा अथवा अंतर्जाले मध्यं वा अथवा जंगम दूरवाणी सेल्फोन मध्ये वा संस्कृत भाषा एव उपयोगं कुर्वन्ति कारणं विकारं नास्ति शून्यम् अहं मम पुस्तकेषु लिखितवान् ताभिः इति by those females आंग्ल भाषायाम् अतीव दीर्घमस्ति भाषा वाक्यम् अतीव दीर्घमस्ति अर्थमपि सम्यक् न तत्र प्रकटयति अर्थं सम्यक् न प्रकटयति आंग्ल भाषा परन्तु संस्कृत भाषा उचितमाय अर्थं प्रकटयति तथार्थमेव जर्मनी देशे सर्वे अपि रुद्रं चमकं ते वदन्ति संस्कृतं पठन्ति नासा विज्ञानिनः 1000 पंडिताः प्रेषयतु इन्दियातः आवश्यकमेव पठनार्थं संस्कृत भाषा पठनार्थं पाठनार्थं 1000 पंडिताः प्रेषयतु कृपया प्रेषयतु इति अभ्यर्थना निर्देशं दत्तवन्तः रिक्वेस्ट दत्तवन्तः परन्तु किमपि पंडिताः न तत्र गतवन्तः एतावत् पर्यन्तं परन्तु तस्य अभिप्रायं तस्य आवश्यकं कारणं संस्कृत भाषा मम संशोधन प्रकारं संगणक यंत्रं कृत्रिम बुद्धिमत्ता भाषाया उपयोगं कृत्य संस्कृत भाषा एव अधिकम् उचितम् इति दृढ अभिप्रायं विज्ञानिनाः दृढ अभिप्रायं तावदेव सत्यमेव एतत् सत्यवाक्यं तथार्थमेव जर्मनी राष्ट्रे इंग्लैंड राष्ट्रे यूके मध्ये सर्वे अपि पठन्ति संस्कृतं पठन्ति छात्राः बाल्ये वयसि अपि ते पठन्ति सम्यक् पठन्ति उच्चारणम् अनुच्चारणं स्पष्टतया वदन्ति अस्माकं भारतदेशस्य छात्राः अपेक्षया ते अतीव स्पष्टतया वदन्ति उच्चारणं वा अनुच्चारणं वा संस्कृतपदम् आश्चर्यं भविष्यति आश्चर्यं भवति किमर्थं ते पठन्ति किमर्थम् इति चेत् अग्रिमकाले संस्कृत भाषा एव संगणकयंत्र भाषा मार्गे गच्छन्ति अतीव उचितं भाषा एव तदार्थं ते पठन्ति अतः अहं किं वदामि चेत् छात्राः बाल्ये वयसि छात्राः कृपया पठतु, संस्कृतं पठतु, अन्य भाषा त्यक्त्वा संस्कृतं केवलं संस्कृतं मात्रं पठति इति अहं न वदामि। अन्य भाषा सह संस्कृतम् अपि पठतु। मम संस्कृतं साधारणरीत्या सम्भाषण संस्कृतमेव, सर्वे अपि अवगच्छन्ति, अहं जानामि। अत्र उपस्थिताः सर्वे अवगच्छन्ति मम वाक्यम्, अहं किं वदामि इति निश्चयेन अवगच्छति इति अण्डर्स्टाण्ड्, अवगच्छति, अहं जानामि। किमर्थम्? अहं वेदसंस्कृतं न वदामि, अहं प्राचार्यसंस्कृतं न वदामि, साधारणरीत्या सम्भाषणसंस्कृतम्। तदर्थम् अहं किं वदामि चेत् कृपया सर्वे अपि संस्कृतं पठतु। कारणम् अस्माकं मस्तिष्के स्थितः बुद्धि विज्ञानरीत्या अभिवृद्धिर्भवति। अस्माकं शरीरमपि दीर्घकालं जीवितं चेत् संस्कृतभाषा आवश्यकम्। विज्ञानरीत्या ते वदन्ति, विज्ञानिनः वदन्ति, तदर्थं किञ्चित् संस्कृतभाषा पठतु। सर्वे अपि कुटुम्बमध्ये किञ्चित् वाक्यं संस्कृतभाषया वदतु, प्रयत्नं करोतु, दोषेण सह वदतु, लिङ्गरूपं विना अपि वदतु, परन्तु वदतु। हे भोः, कूप्यां जलं पूरयित्वा कूपीम् आनयतु, वत्से कूपीम् आनयतु, वत्से काफी आनयतु, भार्या दुग्धम् आनयतु, भोजनं प्रवेशयतु, अहं स्नानं कृत्वा अहं पूजां करोमि, अनन्तरं भोजनार्थं तत्र उपविशामि, मध्ये कृपया भोजनं सज्जता करोतु, अत्रान्तरे सज्जता करोतु इति किञ्चित् 2 पदं वा 3 पदं वा उपयोगं कृत्य सर्वे अपि आरम्भं करोतु। एतत् श्रुत्वा भवतः बाल्यः, भवतः शिक्षः सर्वे अपि ये श्रुत्वा संस्कृतं स्वयमेव पठन्ति। अस्माकं तमिळ् भाषा वा अथवा हिन्दी भाषा वा गृहे मध्ये वदति चेत् सर्वे अपि शिशोः वा किमपि वा श्रुत्वा अपि वदन्ति। विद्यालयं गत्वा पठित्वा न वदन्ति, श्रुत्वा मातापिता श्रुत्वा ते वदन्ति, आरम्भं करोति। तस्य वाक्ये व्याकरणमस्ति वा, रनन् मार्टिन् अनुसृत्य इंग्लिश वदति वा इति नास्ति, इति प्रश्नं नास्ति। सो तदर्थं सर्वे अपि संस्कृतं पठतु। आचार्य जगद्गुरु अभिप्राय निर्देशं तावदेव, किञ्चित् वदतु। कुटुम्बमध्ये, बान्धवाः मध्ये, मित्राः मध्ये वदतु, आरम्भं करोतु, पठतु इति उक्त्वा अहमद्य अद्यतन उपाधि पवर् आफ् पासिटिव् थिङ्किङ्ग् विषये अहं वदामि, आरम्भं करोमि। संस्कृतं पठतु, वदति संस्कृतम्। All of us should know very clearly that we have immeasurable powers. I will explain to you from the Vedic perspective vis-a-vis modern physicists who have proven this and now proving this. Even yesterday I got an email. Quantum physicists completely agree with our Vedas. There is a possibility. I will come to that in today's lecture. My intention is, as Swami Vivekananda says, most of our Indians, we consider ourselves weaklings, especially when we see the Westerners. That attitude has to be totally changed. We cannot be weakling. All of us have immeasurable strengths. Asangeyo prameyatma vishishta shishta krichuchi. Asangeyo means immeasurable. This Atma is. Your Atma is immeasurable. You have not realized. You are the all-powerful. And this is the science which is picking up. The power of positive thinking. If you think anything positively, desire it, you will achieve. That is the greatness. And if I tell from here, you will not understand. But as the lecture goes, you will understand. We ourselves have not realized the latent talent available in us. நமக்கே அது புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது நாம் யார் என்று. சும்மாவா சொன்னார்கள் வேதத்தில், அசாவாதித்யோ பிரம்மா பிரம்மைவா அகம் அஸ்மி. யாரு பிரம்மனோ இந்த பிரம்மன், இந்த பிரம்மைவா அகம், நீதான் அந்த பிரம்மன். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மின்னு சொன்ன காரணம், what is the reason? Because none of us except very very great Jagat Gurus like Acharya know or have realized the immeasurable power. What is positive thinking? Come to the daily life. Today morning you decided that at 6 o'clock you will attend T.S. Vishwanathan's lecture in Tattwaloka. Tomorrow morning you have planned to go to Bangalore. Day after tomorrow, Monday, you have to go to school. You go to school. Next week is the exam, final exam. You are preparing for the exam. Then you go for your bathroom to take your bath. Then you tell your friends, at afternoon I will come for a business lunch. Then you say to somebody, I am going to buy the book from there to read. I am going to subscribe to Tattwaloka. I am going to your office. I am going to subscribe to the Tattwaloka's magazine. In any of these cases, are you without positive thinking? That means, in any of these instances, have you ever thought, oh, if I die, what happens? If I stop breathing, what happens? If I go to office, I may not reach, some accident will happen, what happens? Have any of us ever think in those lines? Because the underlying current of the power of positive thinking is shaping you daily. You have not realized the weak nuclear force, the weak power of thought, the weak power of thinking flowing in you daily. Happen if I have a cardiac arrest? Flows in you, the energy flows in you, through you, beautifully, and you accomplish your daily activities. And that power you realize to be a weak nuclear force, that you take it for granted. You have not analyzed it. I have not analyzed it. None of us have analyzed except great Jagat Gurus. They only know that. So there is a power of positive thinking flowing in us. That is set one. Why it is flowing in some and why it is not flowing in? What happens to this power of positive thinking? Negative thinking. When you want to have anything achieved through lust, through attachment, you automatically have a fear that you may not achieve. You automatically feel sometimes that what if I don't achieve? Creates a fear in you, creates a negative emotion in you, creates the flow of negative thinking in you, and thereby you have negative thoughts, and thereby you will not achieve. All of us know swimming, sir. All of us know swimming. Law of flotation. You will float. You will drown. Otherwise, all animals, snakes, elephants, everything will swim. They don't have the fear. Man, because of his extra intelligence, thinks when he is dropped in the water, oh, what happens if that 1 second, that atom, enough to kill us. That atom is only killing us. That atom is a negative thinking. That atom prevents us from achieving our normal state. You try, you will not drown. I am sure. Wright brothers, they just went out. All these successful people, I am giving you some examples. They just built the aircraft, that's all. Nothing, what happens if it fails? They never thought about it. Nothing called failure. A method of way of learning. If the failure happens, if they are not successful in the first attempt, second is what? A second way of learning. How to make it all right. Same thing as Thomas Alva Edison says. 10,000 times I would have failed means it's not failed. 10,000 ways of knowing a thing. That's all. 10,000 ways of knowing a thing. Henry Ford did not make with lust anything. He just made the car. He wanted to run. He wanted to bring some innovation, more of passion, not for money. They were successful. Great people are successful. I will tell you some of the finest inventions that's taking place. US President Obama has brought out a project called the BRAIN project. BRAIN 1 and 2. BRAIN 1 is Genome project and the BRAIN 2 is Connectome project. What is that? Beauty. You hear this. He never thought he will fail. He never thought Congress, whatever they said, he just gave the funds. He thought he will achieve. What is that? In genomes, they will take a disk, scan your body genes, keep it. In the connectome disk, they will scan your brain completely and keep it in a disk. Now what happens? Suppose if the man dies, he will still live with you. After he dies, 1 year after, you can play both the disk in the computer and he will answer the questions, whatever you want. And if you switch on the computer will put the image of this person, dead person, as per its own combination. As how the computer plays chess. It puts the word and therefore you can see a man in a computer screen live. If your old grandfather is dead, grandfather, tomorrow my exam is there. What is A plus B the square? Back. Kanna, the answer is A square.